हवन करेंगे ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स मजाक की बात है, लेकिन कुल मिलाकर देखें तो ये बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है फिलहाल हम पर. वी आर फाइटिंग अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वॉर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू विन इट. लेट्स स्टे पॉजिटिव अबाउट इट. दिस इज हेलो मुंबई 107.1 मेगाहर्ट्ज एफएम रेनबो एंड ऑन दिस लवली थर्सडे मॉर्निंग आई एम द होस्ट एंड दोस्त विद यू पंकज आठवले. और अब हम बात करेंगे एक और थोड़ा सा सीरियस चीज के बारे में. भाई लॉकडाउन हो गया है, हम लोग इस वायरस को फाइट कर रहे हैं, पेंडेमिक को फाइट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन लॉकडाउन की वजह से मार्केट्स का क्या हाल है. सब कुछ बंद है. इंडस्ट्रीज इज गोइंग टू हैव अ बिट ऑफ रिपल इफेक्ट एंड व्हाट्स हैपनिंग विद द इंडस्ट्रीज, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग विद द मार्केट. वी आर really very happy and it's a pleasure that we welcome on board on our show the managing director and CEO of the Tata Auto Comp Systems Limited, as well as he's the chairman of the Maharashtra state chapter of the CII. It's a great pleasure that I welcome Mr. Arvind Goel. Goel ji, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका.
Thank you very much for inviting me for this discussion.
Yes, it's a very serious time for all of us. We are trying to cope up with something which is absolutely unprecedented. From the industry perspective, how is the industry coping up with this entire lockdown and fight against coronavirus?
Certainly, industry has its toughest time which they have never seen in their lifetime.
Mm-hmm.
However, all the industry are fully supporting the call of the Prime Minister and first ensuring that all the workers, including temporary workers and contract workers, the salary is paid. We are looking at their safety and also ensuring to teach them about the hygiene, etc.,
Mm-hmm.
so that we do not have more cases in the industry and around.
Right.
However, as far as the industry running is concerned, we have certain major issues in every company,
Mm-hmm.
which will come in due to the cash flow issues, because the whole cycle of the cash flow has broken,
Right.
and there are huge uncertainties and how the market will react when the things stabilize.
Mm-hmm.
Also needs to be seen. So it's a difficult time, and industry is trying to invent new ideas, new thinking, new innovations on how to survive first. That is what the key idea of the industry.
Yes, definitely. These are difficult times, but we will survive. There's no doubt about it. How is the CII now working with the central and the state government in this particular pandemic?
See, CII is working very closely with both state government and the central government. One is, as far as the industry is concerned, we are looking at various policies, both for the banking side, on the custom side,
Uh-huh.
and many other policies, which fortunately there has been a good support from the government, and I would say they have been instantly supporting the request from the industry.
Amazing.
Very, very highly connected. They are ready to even have a discussion late in the night. I remember having a couple of discussions even at from 11 o'clock till 1:30 in the night with the top government officials,
Mm-hmm.
and they are able to turn it around in the morning itself. So I think the huge support from the government, which is unprecedented and makes a very good impression about how the government can really react to things.
Absolutely, absolutely, and that's quite amazing from all of you all as well as the government. Now, you mentioned something about the broken cycle of the cash flow. Now, it's getting really difficult, but even at these difficult times, you all are making sure that the industries and bigger companies are donating to the Prime Minister's fund to help the nation. So, how do you see that thing? Because the Tatas have done an amazing job here.
Yeah, see, certainly Tatas have done a job, and our group chairman, Mr. Chandrasekhar, has already issued a statement which had certainly said that COVID-19 is a worrisome and requires the very best action.
Mm-hmm.
The importance is the very best action. And he has said that country is facing an unprecedented situation and crisis. All of us would have to work whatever it takes to elevate and enhance the quality of life of the community we serve.
G.
The importance from Tata Group is enhance the quality of life of the community we serve. Certainly, the Tata Trust chairman has already committed 500 crores,
Mm-hmm.
and Tata Sons chairman Mr. Chandrasekhar has committed additionally 1,000 crores to support COVID-19 and related activities. And he has already issued a statement that we will work together with Tata Trust and our chairman, Emeritus Mr. Tata, and would be fully supporting their initiatives and work in a collaborative manner to bring the full expertise of the group.
Fantastic,
In addition
fantastic.
to the above, each Tata Group company, whether it is Tata Auto Comp, where I am the managing director,
Right.
and other Tata companies are doing additional activities in addition to this.
Mm-hmm.
Like you will know that Tata Hotels, Taj Hotels in Bombay and many other big cities are serving food free of cost from their five-star hotels
Okay.
to doctors and nurses in their cities.
That's quite amazing, and I think it's a great opportunity for all of us to come together and fight. And in Pune now, coming to the shop floor, I'd like to ask you, how are you coping up? Because in these times people can get anxious, they can get a bit frustrated. Suddenly things have changed up, the workers, the mid management, the management. So at the shop floor, how do you manage to take care of all these anxieties and negative things which have come up amongst the people?
We have been doing a very live and daily communication. Like in Tata Auto Comp, we have 49 plants and we have a leadership call every second day
Okay.
and to understand what's happening, and the leadership of each company has a call with their company executives and even address the workers through the conference calls. And many of the workers now really are mobile savvy and they are able to join such calls.
Uh-huh.
And we have been explaining to them what the group is doing, how should they take care of themselves and their families,
Gee.
and we will all come out of this. We have also put an app of a yoga into our system,
Okay.
and a lot of young executives and many other executives I found working on the app. There is a timing which we have fixed 2-3 times a day.
Mm-hmm.
There is a proper session of yogas which we do, and Tata Steel has announced a big training. At virtually every subject in the industry, there is a training module which they have done,
Okay.
and one can join only at 1 rupee a month if he wants to do it. So
Kya
many
baat
of the people are joined. That it is basically they want to serve the society,
Gee.
and they are doing that. And in any case, we are using this time to re-innovate, think how we can reduce costs when we come back, how can we improve our efficiencies, how can we plan more on total quality management,
Mm-hmm.
and many other things. So a lot of activities is being done, and some of the officers did mention to me, sir, working from home looks to be we are working 12 hours a day
जी
instead of 8 or 10 hours when we are present in the company.
नहीं चलो अच्छी बात है कि तो घर बैठे थोड़ा ज्यादा काम भी हो जाता है बट मिस्टर अरविंद थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस एंड वी एट ऑल इंडिया रेडियो वुड या
Maybe if you want to know, CII Maharashtra is doing a great job in this field,
जी
and they have done medical assistance. They have been distributing hygiene kits, food ration distribution. They have been from the CII Foundation,
हाँ हाँ
and we have also got assistance from the Infosys Foundation, and in some of the places we have been almost 5,000 to 10,000 people we have committed to give food, and they have also in Maharashtra distributed large number of masks and personal protective equipments, gloves in Pune, Thane, municipal areas, and our chapters in Nagpur, Aurangabad, Nasik have also been doing a very good job in this activity.
फैंटास्टिक
I was telling you, it is mind-boggling how the industry and how individuals have come forward on the platform of CII, and also we have a Pune platform. Huge amount of people are contributing, and we are organizing to get ventilators, masks, PPE equipment, gloves for the people. Have made a proper chain whom to give, which hospital has how many patients. Based on that, we are distributing, not just like that because some hospital asked us.
करेक्ट
So a lot of app has been created, and big support to the hospitals and the community in Maharashtra.
डन फैंटास्टिक फैंटास्टिक अरविंद जी अगर आपको कभी भी आपके पूरे टीम को वर्कर्स को कभी भी कोई भी टेंशन हो थोड़ा सा एंजाइटी हो जाए तो एफएम रेनबो सुनिएगा वी प्ले सम फैंटास्टिक म्यूजिक जस्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस
Thank you.